Hey YouTube and YouTube hey! So welcome to my first video review, and we have here today an Asus TUF gaming notebook with the following specification, which I'm going to show you in a moment. Okay, so the screen is 15.6 Full HD with 144 Hz for very smooth gaming, strong glare IPS and 250 candelas and square meter, which is okay, it's pretty bright, but not the best. So it also supports adaptive sync, so with adaptive sync and 144 Hz, it should be very good for gaming. So a nice panel. So the CPU is pretty new, it's the newest AMD Ryzen 7 4800H with an octa-core and 8 times 2.9 GHz. Yeah, the CPU is pretty awesome. Then we have 16 gigs of DDR4 3200 RAM, an SSD of 512 gigabytes. The GPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060, so with 6 gigabytes of GDDR6 RAM. So you will enjoy the newest games with ray tracing technology. Let's have a look at the connectivity. We have one HDMI 2.0B and one USB-C 3.2 with a DisplayPort 1.4. So it means you can connect two external monitors on this computer without any issues. Two USB 3.0, one USB 2.0 on the other side. We have one Gb LAN and also one headphone jack. So wireless, we have WLAN from A to AC standard, so it's dual band, and we have Bluetooth 5. Let's talk about the battery. The battery is insane, it's 90 watt hours, which means it's almost double capacity of the normal battery which comes in some of these TUF gaming models. Usually they come with 48 watt hours, and this one is with 90. So when you like to work outside or in some places where there is no electricity plug, you will get a really longer battery life with this model. Just be sure to check before you buy, because not all have 90 watt hours. So the sound is stated with speakers with DTS X Ultra. Input, we have a keyboard with RGB lighting, numeric keypad, a rubber dome, and a touchpad with 2 mouse buttons. So weight is 2.30 kilograms. And specials, yes, we have a military standard 810G. If you want to know more about it, you can Google it. It basically says that the laptop went through several tests and it should last longer. So the webcam is HD 720p, so not full HD, but okay. And there is no card reader. So let's go and open up this pretty box. I like this TUF sticker which is inside. You know, it tells you we got your back. Pretty neat. There's actually not a lot in this box. You only get a laptop, power cord, and some basic instructions. Oh yeah, and let's don't forget the nice sticker. So here we have a first piece of the power cord. And this little guy? Not really. It's an incredible, insane 230 watts power supply. What a beast. So you know why you need a big battery. Even if this is a laptop for a customer, I feel like it's Christmas. Ta-da! It looks like it's made of metal, but it's not. So the back you see the big ventilation openings, and here also on the right side we have one USB 2.0 port, and on the other side, the other connectivity, we have the power plug, the LAN connector, HDMI, 2 USB 3 and one USB-C, and the headphone jack. So let's have a look on the bottom. There are small openings for ventilation. Looks almost like some mosaic kind of shapes. For me it looks very good, very nice. Almost like something, I don't know, it don't come from this planet. No, but seriously, looks very special. Okay, let's open this thing up. So there it is, the Asus TUF gaming notebook. When you open it, it feels strong. So not that kind of $400 notebooks. The screen is pretty tight. I mean, it's yeah, you feel the 810 military standard. Okay, the keyboard looks nice. The keypads, yeah, pretty good. Touchpad is also smooth. There's a kind of a layer on it, so it doesn't get sticky so fast. So it's not that heavy, feels okay. On the back, this big holes on the ventilation, I think when you're pretty much in gaming and 3D modeling or something like that, then you will need these holes probably. turn on this thing now. Let's connect the cables and then let's do it. Okay, ding, turn on. So this video is a little bit speed up because the first power on needs about 1 minute to 2 minutes to do some special tests. So on the first power on we land in the BIOS, where we can see all the basic stuff like how much the battery is charged, the screen, yeah, the fan, the speed of the fan, and yeah, the basics, the boot menu and stuff. Here you can see a nice video of the keyboard lighting, the RGB colors which are changing. Looks yeah, good. Okay, now I have a surprise for you. I made a special video only for you guys. So we are testing now the speed of Windows installation, a fresh copy of Windows installation. Let's see how long it will need. This video is speed up, of course. Okay. An amazing 6 minutes and 30 seconds for a complete Windows installation. That's amazing. There's another special video with Cinebench R20 testing. Let's see how many points we can get. So we got an amazing 4,340 points. That's incredibly insane for a laptop. So if you compare our result with some other older CPUs, you see we got like into comparison with i7 7700 almost a double points. So yeah, I have to say that this Ryzen 7 is a beast. Yeah, you're killing it with this CPU. So this software here is called Armoury Crate, and you can download it from the Asus website. It's basically what it is. It's your command center for your laptop, where you can do almost everything what you need to do. You can change the lighting, you can change the fan speed, you can do several stuff. So just yeah, maybe the first time when you open it, go through this and see, check all what you can do. Here the Aura settings are for the RGB lighting. Do the settings here. Here it says no device available, but don't worry. You can check it out and you will see you can do this at sync devices and change here later the settings of the lighting. So here we have some game visuals, which means we can choose between different visuals for each gaming, like a scenery, racing, RPG, or whatever game you would like to play, and it will change regarding this game which you play. So in the system and then lighting, you can choose which color you want for the keyboard backlight, and if you want that it's static or breathing or whatever effect would you like, you can choose. If you don't like any presets, you can also choose your own color. Okay, here we have your game library. When you install games, they will be shown here. So here you have some different scenario profiles where you can change your system configuration about fan and stuff. For example, if you play heavy games and stuff, you can do your fans, yeah, go with faster speed, and save your changes with a profile name. When you go here then later on featured, you see some new game deals and stuff. You can buy them if you want. Sometimes you can see really good bargains. And here we have some news regarding new GPUs and stuff. So if you want to stay up to date, you just go here and see what's happening. Okay, so now we enjoy through some random pictures in a slideshow, and then at the end I will tell you what's my opinion about this notebook. So okay, in my opinion, this notebook is pretty okay. It's worth its money for sure. You get a really good new configuration with a new Ryzen CPU and a new RTX GPU, which is still up to date, and you can enjoy beneficials like 144 Hz display, ray tracing, and yeah, with good speeds of the CPU if you need for some rendering or whatever you do. You can check out the links below when you want to buy it. I searched already for good deals, so you can buy it from them and enjoy your new Asus TUF gaming notebook. Let me know if you own an Asus TUF gaming laptop, if you will buy one, or just your opinion. Should I do more reviews? Comment, share, like and subscribe. For a good deal, look the links below in the video description. Thanks for watching.